Post-workout, it's really important to consume healthy carbohydrates and protein. And this is going to help your body repair and re-energize. And on today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite post-recovery snacks, healthy energy balls. Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX. Today we're going to be using our really key tool for our energy balls, and that is a food processor. If you are following a plant-based diet, a food processor is a really handy tool to have. So with our energy balls, we're going to be using a few key ingredients, which are carbs and protein. So first, we're going to add 1 cup of raw almonds into our food processor. You want to process the nuts first for about 30 seconds. After we've pulverized our almonds, we're gonna add in 1 cup of dates, 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts, and then 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. So with your mix, you can tell right away if they're not sticky enough. So you just simply stick your fingers in and make sure they're sticky. If not, simply just add in some more dates, or you could add in some sort of natural sweetener of your choice. And then we just want to roll these into a ball formation in the palm of our hands, and then we're all set. So this recipe is just a base for you guys. And if you want, you can totally experiment with your own ideas. So you can use any sort of nuts in this recipe, and you could use, instead of using dates, you could use any sort of dried fruit. They all work really well. So with the energy balls, just make sure that you keep them in the fridge and in an airtight container, and they'll last for up to 2 weeks. And I love taking mine in a resealable bag with me on hikes or long runs. I find they're the perfect snack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next week.